Assalamu alaikum. As you know, this is Sairi Suchanna from BBA 2K18 batch. My roll number is 46. Subject course Marketing Management. Course instructor Sir Sartaj Ahmed Sanghi. Today I am here to deliver my video presentation for instead of semester examination. My subtopics are marketing, marketing management, needs, wants and demands. What is marketing management? First of all, marketing. Marketing is an organization function and set of process for creating, communicating and delivering value to customer and for managing customer relationship in ways that benefits the organization. And number second, what marketing management? Marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets and keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Number third, needs. It is a state of felt deprivation of some basic satisfaction. Example, I am thirsty. A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Needs are distinguished from wants. In the case of needs, a deficiency causes a clear adverse outcome. Needs is something required for a safe, stage and healthy life. Basic needs such as air, water, food, for protection for environmental danger. Number second, wants. Wants are desires for a specific satisfier of these deeper needs. Example, I want a Coca-Cola. Wants, to feel a need or a desire for wish for. The idea of want can be examined from many perspectives. A want is something that is desired. It is said that every person has unlimited wants resources. Wants are often distinguished from needs. Demands. Demands are wants for a specific product that are backed up by an ability and willingness to buy them. Example, I have money to buy a Coca-Cola. Demands. Market demands refers to the demand of all consumers of goods or services at a given price, with other factors is money and income. Thank you so much.